How to know if someone scanned your WhatsApp QR code. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. If you want to know if someone has scanned your WhatsApp QR code, then in this video I will guide you step by step on how you can find it. The first step is to download and install the WhatsApp on your device. For that, open up Play Store, or if you are in iPhone, open up App Store. Tap on the search bar, and from here you want to search for WhatsApp. Tap on the install button. Once you do that, WhatsApp is going to be downloaded and installed on your device. Now tap on the open option. This is going to be the home screen of WhatsApp. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You have different options here. Tap on the one that says linked devices. Here you want to tap on the link a device option. Now normally you will have to scan the QR code from here. Once you have scanned the QR code, that device is going to appear down below. All the devices that was linked with your WhatsApp is also going to appear on this page. So you can very easily from this page find out if someone has scanned your WhatsApp QR code. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.